Hey everyone, Jerry here, and I am super excited. I'm super stoked to let you know that I am now selling direct mail leads. That's right, I have peel and stick label, address labels. I have email leads. I've got whatever you need for whatever business that you have, whether it's a postcard marketing business, whether it's a flyer business, multi-level marketing, whatever you need, I've got it, and I would love to have your business. Our leads are always updated. They're constantly updated, so you'll get the freshest, hottest, most responsive leads on the market today. So what I want you to do is click on the link below this video and go ahead and put your order in and get you some leads so you can start mailing out your postcards, your flyer program, multi-level marketing programs, or whatever. Like I said, we've got peel and stick labels and email leads, and they are the hottest on the market today. So click on the link below this video, go ahead, put your order in, and start mailing out your flyers, postcards, whatever marketing program you have. I'd love to have your business. Thanks for watching the video. God bless. Take care. I'll see you soon. Thank you.